So this is an extension of lesson 5.3. It was one more problem that I wanted to include in the examples. And here we're asked to answer the question, but we need to come up with an inequality first in order to do that. So we're first going to look at the sentences and see if we can come up with some key words to help us write our inequality. So the sentence says, the print shop advertises a special to print 400 flyers for less than the competition. The price includes a $3.50 setup fee. If the competition charges $35.50, what does the print shop charge for each flyer? So first we need to look at, well, we're going to try and come up with how much money each flyer is going to cost. So the fact that it says they want to print 400 flyers is not going to come into play into our inequality until we're trying to figure out if it is going to give us less than what we actually are going to pay for the competition. So first, we need to come up with a total that relates to money, not to how many flyers. So the total here that is standing out to me is $35.50, and that's going to be our total. Now, less than is in the problem, which is going to give us our symbol. So if we write less than $35.50, because we want to be able to beat our competition's price, that's how we're going to start the inequality. Now there's a $3.50 setup fee, so we're going to have to include that in the price. And they want to make 400 flyers, but we don't know how much each flyer is going to cost, so that's where 400 comes in, plus the $3.50 setup fee, and that's only a one-time fee. So we have 400x plus 350 is less than 35.50. Now we're just going to solve to try and get how much each flyer is worth. So I have 400x is less than 32, and I need to divide by 400. So I'm actually going to get a decimal here, which if I'm talking about money, I want to put it in cents. So it's going to be about 8 cents, or 0.08, as our answer. That says 0.08. And so that means that each flyer, if they want to beat the competition, is going to be needing to be less than 8 cents per flyer. And that concludes lesson 5.3.